Hey, Raider Time 11 students, hope we're doing well today. We've gotten through the activity that's on the screen in front of you, hopefully by sharing some ideas. We really want you guys to start using each other a little bit to do some exploration and talk about what you're aware of in your area of interest, what's out there career-wise, things you want to learn more about. We really hope that you start talking about the things that you don't know and want to learn more about when it comes to career and future planning. So if you got something out of that conversation within your class, within your group, that's great. We're going to move on to the what's next. And this video will hopefully talk about that in the context of what you can find in Naviance. So through ClassLink, Naviance has been working today. We just redid this video this morning because it really wasn't working yesterday and we weren't sure if this was going to pan out. If you try and get back in and Naviance isn't working, your teacher can skip to the next slide. There's an alternate activity that uses a different web resource that allows you to explore some careers, especially in Minnesota. So, getting back into Naviance, here's what I recommend that you do on your own or with a partner. We are hoping that by now you've completed at least 2 of these 3 self-discovery assessments, the Career Cluster Finder and or the Career Interest Profiler and or the Strengths Explorer. I'm going to use the Strengths Explorer for this demonstration just to help you get in and see how an assessment where you basically answered a bunch of questions that helped show your natural talents and then organize them by 3 themes allows you to see related career pathways to the things that you're good at. I'm a good organizer. I really like to achieve, and I'm kind of competitive. I was a coach for a long time before I was a teacher and a counselor. So I want to pick one of the themes that I believe I agree with, that I am interested in looking at. Well, what kind of careers fit underneath that? So as an achiever, I'm going to show some more just to see what all I have to choose from. And if I see something here that I either don't know or I'm intrigued by, I'm going to dig in and take a peek. Hospitality and tourism, recreation, amusements, and attractions. That sounds kind of fun. I want to see what we got for careers in that area. You can see right away some snapshot material on recreation, amusements, attractions. You can scroll down. You can learn a lot of employment and education information. If I tap on careers in the pathway, I can take a look at some different job and career areas or specific jobs and occupations that might fit with this area of interest. So I'm going to take a look at animal trainers. So within that pathway, I can find specific careers and occupations. I can see what the most common education is to achieve that. I can see what we're dealing with salary-wise. And I might decide, no, I'm not sure that's a livable wage for me. I'm interested in something that's going to maybe earn me a little bit more money while I like working with animals. There might be a different route that I could find for that. Or if I were within animal trainers and I'm like, maybe, but I want to see what else we got. I want to see what we have similar careers-wise. What else is there that would allow me to work with animals? So you can see how this program works to let you explore a lot of different things that are connected to areas that you have identified as strengths. If Strengths Explorer isn't completed or is not something you're interested in, you can do the same thing with the Career Interest Profiler. It gives you a set of results, talks about your scores, and then within your top traits based on this assessment, you can take a look at careers that are related to your traits, and then kind of take the same approach. You find something under here that looks interesting, tap on it, and you take a look at what it would take to get there. So please take a little bit of time to go ahead and dive into Naviance from a career pathway exploration standpoint, okay? And if that's not working for you or you didn't do any of the assessments, then if you go back to our slides today and you skip ahead one more slide, you'll see there's a different tool that you can use to do some exploration. Whole idea here, gang, is that you're looking at career pathways, you're trying to figure out a specific target or two, and then really importantly, what's it take to get there? How much training and education beyond high school do you need, if any? And that's where we really want to start doing our work in the coming weeks is what is it going to take to get where I want to go, and what can I build to make that happen? So take a look, spend a few minutes, talk to each other a little bit more, and enjoy accessing this information. Thank you.